welcome to the Psychoscientist again. Today we are going to install Python 3.10.0 in Windows, and this process is same for Mac OS and Linux too. So today we are going to show how to install 3.10 in Windows, and you can just actually follow the instructions for the OS inside the Python website, official website. So I go to the Google and I just actually type Python download. So it actually opens the python.org website. It opens. Defaultly can find my device is a Windows, so it shows the windows.exe file, so I can just actually use them directly. I'm just gonna download it from here. You can see for Unix, Mac OS, Linux, everything, and other OS also there too. So I just actually save it, and I should actually wait till it get downloads. So actually I have installed the Python 3.10 here. So I can just actually run that program here. Then we can just actually run it, and it starts the installation process so soon. I can just actually see when this windows pop up, you should see that defaultly add python.3.10 to path is defaultly disabled, so we need to enable it so that we can use the command prompt to actually run these things. Then we can click the install now, and it takes a couple of minutes. I will show you when it finishes. So you can just actually see my setup was successful, and we can ideally. What do I mean by ideally? The Python ideally means it is a Python integrated development and learning environment. So there is where we are going to code the first Python program to the end Python programs. Later we can use some code editors, but I will show you what is ideally. It has two modes, and actually I can open from here, go to the Windows search bar and type ideally. Yeah, sorry. You can just actually see this one. It's an application. It will open in a couple of minutes. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Python ideally, and a Python ideally has two modes, which is called script mode and interactive mode. And what we are seeing on front of us right now it's called interactive mode, as you can write any type of code here and you can just see the instant result for it. But we are not going to use this one, because in order to learn we need to use the script mode, which you can take the file from here and click the new file, and it creates a new file here, and you can just actually want to save it. Each time you need to save it, and you just actually add it in a folder where you do add the whole sample. You can just actually write sample script .py. Keep the file name without space. As you could see, I did change this name, and you don't need to actually add .py, because in Windows it says it's a Python file, so it will keep the .py extension, because every Python program has a .py extension. It actually indicates that this is a Python program. So we can just actually write a sample script here. Don't need to worry about what I'm writing here. Yeah, we'll just actually explain from the next class itself. Okay, then you can just actually click here the run button and click run module. Okay, source must be saved. Okay, and it runs. Yeah, hello, we have installed Python successfully, and that is for today. And before that, I'm going to give an exercise in every single tutorial in future, and I think you need to do it to be a professional one. So try to do it. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the Slack channel. Thank you.